The Amber Alert wasn't joking, guys. I am kind of fucked. Well, hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And well, it's a little late. I'll be honest, it's pretty dark, dude. It's darker than a dude's balls right now. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. That's my bad. I was at the movies, but we have to grind. So you know what I mean? We have to grind. Yeah, but anyways, guys, it's Friday, you know, so that means it's leg day. So I just finished stretching, right? So we're gonna start with the dumbbells. We're gonna do some squats. Then we're gonna head over to the leg press. Do some of these, you know, with the shit. Then the kettlebell. We're gonna do a bunch of shit. I'm not gonna do cardio today because it's kind of late and I gotta edit the video and get it out probably tomorrow morning, even tonight maybe. I don't know. We'll see. And we'll let's get straight to it. Boys, I kinda came up to the gym at the worst time. The fuck? Amber Alert. National Weather Services. Snow squall warning until 9 p.m. God, it's 8 p.m. Get in. Holy shit. Oh, god damn, I don't know if you guys can see me right now. Oh my god, my music. Guys, it's fucking, oh my god, dude. The Amber Alert wasn't joking, guys. I am kind of fucked.